Welcome, Maotrons. So in today's video I'm going to Walmart. This is going to be the fourth and probably final video, I'm going to assume, in my Halloween series I did this year, where I only went on one website, but I could always do this more. It doesn't even have to be for Halloween. It's just when I started it. Hold on, I don't know why I always do that. I always keep my freaking glasses on. Anyways, so words, I've lost them all. So in my first one I went on wish.com and did a clown. The second one, I went to the Dollar Tree and did a skull. The third one, Ulta, and I did a galaxy look. And this is the fourth one. And I'm going to Walmart. I don't know what I'm going to do, but we'll see. I'm trying not to buy a whole costume. Let's just go into Walmart and see what we can find. Oh, and I am in my work shirt. Did I mention that yet? So I'm in my work shirt. Yes, I work at Lowe's. I didn't wear an undershirt today, so we're just going to be rocking it. Whereas in my Ulta one, I also had just gotten off work, but I wore an undershirt knowing that I was going to be filming this today. I didn't know. I was in a mood. And so I just did what I wanted to do. Done the craft section now. What did I do? Okay guys, okay. I had a lot of fun actually. And now I'm going home. So I am going home, and no, I'm not holding the phone, but I am holding the wheel. I am going home now so that we can go over what I bought. And sorry, I know that you guys are off kilter. I know that's probably so annoying to some of you, because it's probably going to be annoying to me when I make this. But alright, I'm home, and sorry about the weird lighting, and I'm still filming on my phone because I did not charge the battery of my camera. Anyways, I'm so excited for this one. I don't know why I'm so excited for this one, but I am. I just had a lot of fun shopping, I guess. I might have accidentally thrown the receipt away. Well, I kind of threw the receipt away, I guess, which is my bad. So I won't really know. So I spent $50-something. Oh, I didn't take off my shirt. All right, so let's get into the actual parts of this video. And this is I don't know where the receipt went, so it's kind of disappointing. All right, so the first thing I did get is I got two of these, which are some makeup remover wipes. I got them last year when they had them, and I actually think they're really nice. They're not the best. They're makeup remover wipes, and you get 25 of them, I believe. Yeah, and they're only 97 cents, so I actually should have gotten more because I go through these a lot since I do body painting. And then I decided I'm going to do a unicorn. I don't know if I mentioned that while we were shopping, but I am. And so I got this unicorn horn, and it has the price on it. So it was $2.98 right there. And I thought it was just kind of a cute white pastel. They had all different colors. They had black and pink and purple. Then I also got some grease paints to obviously decorate my face, I guess you could say. So I got this one, which is ironic because there is a unicorn horn on it. It's a very light pink color. It was only, obviously, as you can see, it was only 98 cents. And then I also got this, I guess you could say lavender or lilac purple. It's very, very light, and it's just called purple grease paint. Also 98 cents. And then I also got a white because you can never go wrong with white. The next thing I got was these glitter makeup crayons. So they're all different colors, and these are the colors mainly that I'm looking at here that I want to use. It's a purple, a bluish teal color, and then a darker pink, but also comes with gold, silver, and green. And they were $1.98, and they're just glittery makeup crayons. I don't know how pigmented they're going to be because they actually don't look very pigmented, which kind of scares me, but you know, glitter's glitter. I can just use the glitter, right? And then the first thing I actually picked up when I was there was this twist up eyeliner pack. I got this and I thought about doing a zombie look, but I ended up going with the unicorn. So it's just two of them for $2.98, it says up there, which is nice. I'm glad that all these Halloween things have the price. So $2.98. And then I got, because I thought this would be really fun to add to it, because I do have some black lights that we could play with. So I got these, which are black light activated. They're UV makeup, and let's see, there's pink, blue, yellow, and orange. I'm pretty excited to play with these. I have some other UV lights, so I was pretty excited about these. I don't know if they're gonna work, but then the next thing I got was these pink feather lashes. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mention it. I'm sorry. So it's $3.74 for that. So all this stuff is really reasonably priced. So the big number I spent today wasn't because of all this stuff. It was because of all the other stuff I didn't need. So yeah, pink lashes, they were $2.98. So $3 pretty much. They're just little feather lashes. I don't know why they show such a bright one up there when they're not, obviously in this package. They're not that bright. And then I only have 2 things left, and I got 2 lipsticks. So I got this lipstick. It was only 98 cents. It's from Wet n Wild, and the color is Dark Pink Frost. It has a color shift to it. It's a light pink with like a gold in it, which is ironic because later I saw a little side stack of more Wet n Wild Halloween stuff. This has the Liquid Catsuit High Shine lipstick, which people have been talking about these a lot, but I've never bought one. It's pink with a gold shift. So this one was 98 cents, and this was $4.98, I think it was. So pretty much $5 for this one. But this one's called Jack-O-Lantern Blood. I love that. Okay. I was just like, excuse me, what is it called? So anyways, there you have it. That's what I bought. I don't really know the total of what I actually bought on makeup stuff. Okay, so let's get this makeup off, get that makeup on, and see what we can come up with. Okay, hi, we're here, and we're gonna start doing this body paint. So we're gonna be a unicorn today. We went to Walmart a few days ago and bought some stuff to become a beautiful magical unicorn. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use these makeup remover wipes because I have makeup on. I'm actually rushing because I'm about to go on vacation and this is the last day I'll have free. These makeup remover wipes aren't bad, they are not the best. You kind of have to like pull on your face a little bit more than normal, and that's not good for your eyes. Let's move on to the next step. So I'm gonna try and like hide it better. Anyways, so I'm going out of town, which is why I'm trying to do this as fast as, is that even, it's like a crooked unicorn horn. Isn't it? Yeah, it is crooked. Maybe my head's just weird. Good enough, I guess. Anyways, that's fine. Let's just move on to the next step. So, I can't remember what I was gonna do, so we're just gonna wing it. We're gonna start with pink cream paint or grease paint. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so there is no actual like cap for this. So once you're done with this, like either you have to find something else to put it in or throw it away. That's not fun. So I'm gonna take a makeup sponge. It's a very light pink, but hopefully it'll work. So we're gonna take it and we're actually gonna put it kind of near our contours. Oh my gosh. That isn't even barely gonna show up on my skin. Like, can you kind of see that? Okay, well, we're gonna use it as foundation then. We're gonna cover our whole face with this very light pink. That is the new plan. This would probably look a lot better if you had pigment in your skin. I mean, it kind of has a very light pink color, but what I was imagining. Okay, so for me personally, I'm not a huge fan of that pink because my skin is very light and it is very light, so it kind of gives me a pink hue, but nothing too drastic. But I think that if you had a darker skin tone, especially if you had like a deep skin tone, that'd probably look really pretty on you. I'll probably go back into that in a little bit, but for now, we're just gonna leave it as is. What we are gonna do is we're gonna try the lavender purple color. Maybe it'll be, because it's darker, maybe it'll be better. So we're gonna try and contour with this one. My face is so shiny. That's the one thing. This grease paint is very shiny. It is showing up pretty well. I don't know how well you can see it, but it looks fine. I actually really like that purple. Okay, so I'm gonna use the other side of the sponge that I haven't touched. Use that white, and I'm actually gonna go like right under my eye and up my cheekbone with that, and hopefully it'll kind of brighten up the look. It is. I'm gonna put it on my eyelids as well. I don't think I got any eyeshadow, did I? Gotta use what we got. I don't know why. I don't think of all the steps. I'm like, I wanna do this thing, and then I think of the parts, like, cause I know I have stuff at home. It's hard to like forget that you're not supposed to use this stuff at home. Before I go in and add more or less of any of those colors, I am going to actually get into those crayons that we bought. Ooh, I was hoping they'd be more pigmented, but they probably aren't going to be. See, this is just gonna be, yeah, it's just straight glitter. So it's interesting that they have different colors, because really, like, you can't even see. Ignore that, it was something from work. But okay, so it is just glitter. Okay, I don't know. We'll skip on the glitter. And we're gonna go into the neon paints, I guess. These are not neon, yeah, they are neon, they're UV. So I'm gonna go into the pink first. I mean, it looks like it's gonna be pigmented. So it came with a little like spongy thing, so I'm gonna use that. Try and put it on my lid because it didn't really want to stick too well. Okay, so let's see what else we can do. Okay, so we do have a blue color, like a sky blue. I think that would look good with this, but I'm not really sure where to place it. That's the problem. Currently just going for it. Let's add some more pink. I feel like I need more pink. Okay, so that doesn't look too bad. I feel like I need to go back and forth a few times with that blue and pink. So I had the two lipsticks. I'm gonna actually just use this new one if I can open it, because Wet n Wild has the most impossible package to open. So I'm gonna put that on. It's actually a very similar color to Jack-o'-lantern's blood. I like it. I think it's really pretty, so cool. I don't know if it goes with this look very well or not. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this dusty tannish color eyeliner and just something with it. I don't know, okay? Okay, so I just went ahead and lined my lips with that because it didn't really work for much else. I feel like my eyes are burning, so don't put that stuff on your eye. So the only other thing I can really do is use a black liner, so I think I'm just gonna smudge it around my eye. No precision at all. Go into a lot more of that pink. How's that? We're gonna just go crazy at this point because I have no idea. We're gonna go like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into the blue and do pretty much the same thing. I'm also just gonna try and like brush some blue onto my brows. This degaff, I guess? I don't really know. I don't know how to fix the brow situation, so we're just gonna wing it. Isn't that the point of these? Is to see what we can achieve with what we're given. Okay, so I mean that's all we have to mess with. Like, I have nothing else besides false lashes, so because I didn't get a mascara again. Okay, I'm gonna check and make sure that I don't have glue somewhere. Alright. So sadly, I honestly just don't have lash glue, so I am going to just put on mascara. But I guess not this time. Okay, so this is the final look. It's just my face. Oh wait, I had to put the horn down. I'm sorry. I find this particular one to kind of be a fail. I didn't get enough stuff, which is my bad. I guess I just feel like I feel like I got enough, so whatever. But it wasn't bad. I mean, I feel like I could create something better if I got more stuff or if I got better things. Don't get those cream pot things. Like, they just don't have a lot of pigment in them, as you can see. Or as you saw. I mean, I put the pink all over my face. Does it look like my face is really that pink? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, even though this is a very weird look. It's kind of abstract. It's not bad. Like, it's kind of cute. I just would think I could have done this same exact look, but better, with better makeup. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me any other ideas okay. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to ring that bell in case you want to be notified of every time I upload, and be sure to let me know of any other art-related projects you'd like me to do. My intro or my outro is all messed up now, but I'm gonna go. Thank you so much, and I had a great Halloween season this year with you guys, with everyone on my other social medias. Like, it was a great year for Halloween. I got to carve pumpkins. Everything was great. So thank you so much for being here with me during the Halloween season. and I cannot wait to see you guys back here next year. Bye!